doing? Are you pushing buttons? Whoa, whoa, you're kissing your God. Whoa. Are you Pirate Jonah?
No.
Who are you?
I'm Mommy.
Yarr! Who are you? Jonah, did you get a haircut today?
Yes.
Was it bad?
Yeah.
Did you cry?
Yes.
Why did you cry?
Because I didn't like it.
Why? Did it hurt?
Yes.
No. Were you scared?
Yeah.
What'd you get when it was over? What'd you get?
A surprise.
What was your surprise? You remember?
A makeup.
Yay. Did you sing me a song?
No.
Remember you sang me happy birthday? Jonah. Will you sing me Yom Holedet Sameach again? Let me hear it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday to you. You're wedded summer. You're wedded summer. You're wedded summer. You're wedded summer.
Hooray!
Is it your birthday?
No.
Is it my birthday?
No. We can pretend. It's only February 10th. You're only 2.5.
Mama saying happy birthday to me.
Yeah, okay, you do it. Oh, are you healthy or are you sick today?
I'm sick.
What's wrong? What's wrong with you? Bless you. Do you have a cold? Yeah? Okay. Give me a kiss. Goodbye. Ow.
What now?